Hi everyone, welcome to Camping with the Thorpes, and today we're going to be repairing a delaminated floor in our 1993 Eldest Typhoon, right after this. Today we're going to be, like I said, repairing a delaminated floor in our new caravan. Now if you follow us on Instagram you'll probably know all this because I keep going on about it, but this week was the week where we was going to start renovating the whole caravan. We was going to reupholster all the fabric, all the seats should I say, and we was going to paint all the walls and the ceiling and things, but I haven't been able to get round to it. Now I've picked this weekend, which is like the hottest weekend of the year, to do it. Came in earlier on and it was just too hot, so I've left it till the night. It's 8:30 at night, so this is going to be a fun one, but it's nice and cool in here now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut away the carpet. I'm just going to cut this section out because this is where, down here, that's where the boards have come away. That's where the delamination is, so I just have to go around, scrape all this back, tidy it up, cut this carpet away. We aren't going to replace the carpet. I think we're going to put some vinyl tiles down or some vinyl floor, and yeah, we're going to go from there. So we picked up the delamination kit off Amazon. I think it came in about, I think it was £23. It's not Amazon Prime, you can't get it on Prime, but what you can do is you can go over to the website of the company, which is Pennine Leisure Limited. I think it's Camping UK, I'm not too sure. I'll leave a link in the description anyway for it, and you can get it direct from them. And I think you can pay £4.95 postage for next day delivery, so you don't have to wait 5 days or so. So we've got the kit, and it comes with the green resin which goes under the floor. I'll read that out to you in a minute because it's quite nasty stuff, this stuff. And we get 30 dowels and some latex gloves. What I will say, and what we should recommend, look at wearing a mask because this is really nasty stuff, covering up and everything. It does say it causes skin irritation. It may cause an allergic skin reaction, causes serious eye irritation, and may cause allergy or asthma symptoms or breathing difficulties if inhaled. So make sure that the area is well ventilated, all the windows open, doors open. So yeah, enough of me rambling on, let's just get on with it. Right, so now we've got everything clean. It's not too clean, there's still a little bit of dust there, but we can wipe it away. As you can see just over there, as I've cleaned it up, I found where the tide mark is from the water, so I suspect that that's coming from the shower area, and that's what may have caused this delamination. I'm not too sure. I mean, I've checked underneath, which is what you really want to do before you start a job like this. You want to check underneath, make sure that there's no holes that need to be. What we need to do now, as per the instructions given by the company who'll make the delamination kit, is we need to make a grid of the area, and it needs to be a grid with 4-inch squares. But first of all, I'm just going to show you what tools you're going to need. Right, so here's the tools that you're going to need. You're going to need a drill with a charged battery, paintbrush, you're going to need to get your scraper or a filling knife, a tape measure, some tape, and a drill bit. Now this is a 5mm drill bit. The dowels are actually 6mm. So what I'm going to do with the dowels is, with my hole, I'm just going to tap them in really gently. I'm going to try it with one. If it don't work with one, then I'll be getting a bigger drill bit. But yeah, that'll be alright for now. And that's it. Oh, and a spirit level. Now I've only got my spirit level to draw a straight line, not to level anything off. Talking about levels though, my caravan, as it's sat here on the drive, is slightly pitched up at the front, so I need to go level that out, because all that's going to happen is it's all going to run down to the back. Now what we want to do is we want to work from this side to the back to the doorway, or if your doorway is over at the front, which it probably won't be, you work that way. Okay, so I'm going to work from the top down this line, and I'm just going to work my way into that corner. Okie dokie, let's get going. So now what I'm doing is, I'm not going to go crazy. I've marked out my first line of my first row of 4 inches, and then I'm just going to plot them freehand, because I don't think there's really any need to be meticulous with it. What I will do though is I'll make sure that the distancing away from the lines down this side are even, and then I can just work across putting my dots in. So for a quick recap, please don't forget to keep yourself safe while doing this. Read all the instructions. Safety is key. Last night I did have a little bit of irritation on my chest because I didn't wear a mask. So don't do like I did. Get your gloves on, get your masks on, even your goggles if you need to, and cover up as well. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe. There'll be more content on the way. And yeah, enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. Bye.